am I audible clearly?
Yes.
Okay, okay. First of all, thank you, Team Robuston, for giving me this opportunity. Actually, this is the better platform, and I really appreciate to Team Robuston. And I think this is the suitable platform for learners as well as the beginners too. No, so here we are all learners and beginners, and definitely we can introduce new ideas, sharing a knowledge and all. So this is the suitable platform for each and everyone. So first of all, again, thanks to Team Robustan. This is the great initiative. And one more thing, as I'm talking about our today's topic, the need of technical communication for engineers. Actually, not for engineers. This is for all. So I think definitely we shall conclude in so many. There will be so many process and all. But first of all, what is communication actually? As we all know, this is an art. Actually, what type of art it is? Art means there will be no boundaries. Actually, we are biased about language and all that. If we are not having good conversation in English, then definitely we will not do. Okay, so this is the not right thing. I think means we should not follow the boundaries. Okay, language doesn't matter. First, just keep in your mind that language doesn't matter. And when you start to communicate, it better to communicate. Not for start with the language. Okay. So today I just wanted to share my point of view about communication and all. So this is an art, communication. I think you might be knowing about that. It is a bridge between like two people. Okay, so in this way, what you want to pretend yourself. I'm talking about communication, and it definitely it wants two people, है ना? So in this art, or you can say in this action of art of communication. So what is act as a bridge? What is that process, or what is the particular words we are using here? Means the communication. It is act as a bridge. So when you start communication and all, so just I think you might be knowing about the interdisciplinary method. So it is a communication. Actually, it is a interdisciplinary concept. Means it involves each and everything. When you start communication for a particular topic, then definitely you will think, okay, there is a lot of topic and lot of knowledge and ideas you are getting with the process of communication. So simply, I just wanted to share with my PPT for technical communication. So here I'm going to share my PPT. Just I'm sharing, and please keep me updating. Is it visible or not? Is it visible on your screen? Keep me updating. Is it visible? I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
it is. Oh, thank you. Otherwise, how would I know that whatever I want to share, it is visible or not? So please keep me updating. And first of all, as we said about the technical communication and use of technical communication and all, first thing, simple, just exploration. Okay, exploration is must, whether the language is Hindi, English, Urdu, Marathi, or any other language. Okay, so first we have to be explore ourselves. Na? Otherwise, it's all vain. If you know each and everything about the topic, about the presentation and all, but you cannot communicate, then it will vain. So first introduction. What is the introduction about the communication and all? So here I have few points. First, the exchange of information, ideas, and knowledge between sender and receiver. You might be knowing about the sender and receiver process. One send the message and other who will get the message, that is receiver. It is always two-way process. As I already told, the two-way process, the term communication. Okay, it is derived from a Latin word communicare. Okay, so process is related in between sender, encoding, mediums, decoding, receiver, feedback, and etc. Okay, so okay, but one more thing, why we are talking about technical communication? As far as my concern, technical communication means this platform is for engineers only. Okay, I mean, I'm talking about the robots and all. So here you all are going to be a successful engineer in your life. Okay, so technical communication is related to, and where it is used, actually it is used in your business organization. Okay, for your technical documents, and maybe about higher education and all. So here, this is the need of technical education actually. So we discuss later about the need and process of technical communication. First, we have to know about the technical communication. Okay. So here's two definition, the most important definitions and the most suitable definitions. Okay. What is that suitable why I'm saying that suitable definition? Suitable means uh, we might be knowing about the communication is a art, and simple, this is a process between two people, a dialogue between two people is a part of communication. Okay, but here a few words is changed. Only we know about the sharing of ideas, knowledge. What we have to choose the technical words here. Okay, that's why this is a technical communication. Communication means normal, but here we have to choose the technically. So according to definitions, communication is the sum of all the things. Okay, just keep in your mind, it's a sum of all things. Things, not only communication means each and everything related to the person. Because when he want to create understanding in the mind of others. Okay, this is the main communication. I mean technical communication, when we want to create understanding in the minds of other. Mean what I want to say, it is understandable by the other or not. This is the definition of technical communication. Okay, technical communication is related to the data only. Okay, a paragraph, note making, resume. This is they are having a set format for these things. So definitions kya hogi? What we want to create understand mind of others means we have to create understanding in the mind of others. Means who is others? The audience. Okay, audience हो सकती है others. The continuous process mean it is not ceased when we drop a message or send the message and just finish. No, it is a continuous process of telling and understanding. Here we can add listening, writing, and reading too. Okay, listening, writing, and reading too. So just come to the other definitions. So here communication is transmitting information. First we have know about the sharing of ideas and knowledge, but here we put the transmitting information. Transmitting information means from one person to others. What does it resemble? Transmitting means the message is totally covered or adaptable by the others. Okay, whatever you want to say, it is known by the or understandable by the other. The same meaning is follow these two definitions already have the same meaning, but the language. Okay. Okay, the principle of communication. How we can understand the communication has been done between the peoples, or I have done with my all communication with the business organization or in a meeting. So it is the other should understand what is being communicated. I'm talking about principle of communication is that others should understand what is being communicated. Means Sometime might be you have to take an example of a teacher taught in a classroom. Okay, sometime the student who paid more attention, they definitely understand and will not. I think it's all win and vanish. Means actually they don't want to understand. Okay, this is a two-way process. Means everybody is taking part efficiently. Otherwise, not beneficial. Second point, one should realize the extent of frustration or stress of an ambiguous communication. Definitely, if you not understand what the speaker said, then definitely it is ambiguous communication. What is the role of technical communication? Here's the example of pharmacist and the patient. So, technical communication is vital for the survival of modern society. How? Here is the point. A drawing, if not understood at the site by supervisor, can lead to wrong execution of a project. For example, this is the illustrative image. है ना? Illustrative image, you might be thinking about this is the pharmacy or medical shop, the patient and the shopkeeper. Okay, maybe thinking is different here. Someone is thinking she is a patient and shopkeeper and pharmacy means it is somewhere else. Okay, so description not side by supervisor can lead to wrong execution. Okay, it is very two person. Here are some points related to technical communication. Generally, technical communication is totally different from the communication. Communication, what communication actually? Uh, the only one thing is keep in our mind. What is that? That is a two-way process, na communication. But in technical communication, we have to follow the writing and the listening. These are included in technical communication. So here are some certain technical communication which is very beneficial for your higher education and for your future perspective because you are going to be technically graduate student. Okay. So it is here in technical communication, the general concepts of technical communication are, I'm talking about the technical writing. Okay. These are the technical writing like email, later and phone calls, thesis and dissertation, visual aids for reports, presentation, media interaction, meeting, ethical behavior, professional societies, rules for a successful career. This is all related to your job perspective. This is about technical communication means you have follow the exact and accurate idea about email, later, thesis, dissertation, media interaction, meeting, how to meet, how to conversation, how to conversation with the other, how to communicate, each and everything. So this is all about in technical communication. And one and basic important thing is technical communication follow and follow the set patterns, okay, and set formats. These all have the set formats, and okay, there will be no change in write when we write email means for example in email we should not supposed to write the paragraph. We have to write the email in a set format, okay, as prescribed by the in format only. So general concepts in technical communication: be brief, be clear, be correct. Means, what is the meaning of be brief, clear, and correct? Here, both technically and communication point of view. These are three. See, brief, clear, and correct means your message should not contain a very long sentence. Okay. Why is it so? Because in technical communication, again and again, I'm telling you'll follow the set patterns only. Message, email, note, paragraph, reports, draft. Okay. So that should be brief, very short. Be clear means there will be no use of synonyms and all, no ambiguous words. means no jargons, only you have to use the main words. Okay, and be correct. Whatever you try to put in your letter or formal or report, that should be meaningful. Otherwise, it is not provide or put hit exactly the right length. Otherwise, may lose interest of your reader list. If you write in a descriptive manner, then there will be a less interest of the readers or listeners. And sometimes we are just getting bored when we are listening someone to speak more and more. So this is a problem. In scene and all. Now we are talking and discussing about this. So this will create a boredom. So just break the boredom. We have to be brief. I'm again and again I'm talking. We are talking about the technical communication. So we have very short and clear. Here, technical writing for technical communication, the best length and what statement here. What is that? Oral communication. What is right duration for the situation? This is the question about yourself. Okay. Oral communication, what is right duration for the situation? This is totally depend on the situation. And technical writing means the word statement, only the word statement. Example, 15-second sound bite, 2-minute fame, 10-minute discourse, 1 hour lecture. Okay, so where is the suitability? Suitability is the top related to the topic, titles, and capacity of listeners or readers. Okay, so we have to be when we write something or when we deliver a lecture, we have to be just keep in mind that lecture or topic should not be exceed more than the limited words. Okay. Okay, put yourself to the shoes of your reader listeners. If unsure of the background of listener, assume a lower level and gradually increase the sophistication of message. What does it mean? You have to be put yourself as the audience or listeners. Okay, key listeners is paying attention or not. So what you have to done for getting attention of the listeners, you have to be create a good environment. You have to create the uh, appealing statement. Okay, so but be clear. Just keep in your mind it should be clear, and you know about the request and all. Be correct. Communication point. You have to be correct technically. How technically? Crucial for technical education. Any statement must be based on prior work. Means already you have to finish your work, then you are going to publish your work and are delivering a lecture. First, you have to be prepare yourself for delivering any lecture or sending a message. Here's the good example. While you're asking for leave, okay, first you have to prepare for your own, not for which purpose you want to leave. So here in any point or in any criteria, technically you have to be prepared and correct. Okay. Be correct on communication point. Technically be correct means whatever you want to elaborate, that should be correct and ethical. And according to communication point, here it is the point mentioning what require proper vocabulary, grammar, diction, including being politically correct. Obviously, everybody know it. According to communication language, we have to follow the language and tone, grammar, tenses, and all. So definitely, it should be clear and lucid, crystal clear. We can say these are the types of technical communication, like email, paragraph, report writing, note making and all. Okay, so email, what is email? Everybody know, I think there will be no need for description about the email and all. So you might be knowing about the email. At the end of the lecture, I will show my PPT and share with you all. This is the email. Everybody, this is also have a set format. Okay, and everybody know about the email, how to write an email. The rules. This is important point. Communicate in such a way that if your message were published on the front page of a major newspaper, you would not be embarrassed. Why is it so? Why it is written in red color? You would not be embarrassed. What is question? Communicate in such a way. Just be careful about the sentence that if your message were published on the front of page of a major newspaper, because nobody know about the message may be very good or bad, so you would not be embarrassed, either it is good or bad. This is the first and foremost rule of communication through email. The second, it is best not to answer unpleasant message right away. Okay, when you receive a message and that message is not suitable for answer, okay, means that is include some argument, abusing word and all, so there will be no need to reply. Okay, this is the second golden rule of communication. If you are not under
Hello.
hello, I cannot share my PPT right now. I don't know how to share next one. Can you please help me out?
What's the problem, ma'am?
I cannot share my PPT right now. I think some explanation or so. Can you please help me out? If is it visible on your screen, then you can help.
Your screen is visible, ma'am.
But I cannot.
Cannot wait for a while, ma'am.
But actually, I'm helping to sharing my PPT.
Okay,
What to
okay.
do?
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Sorry, sorry for this.
Someone asking me for annotation, and I allowed to annotate. That's why this is the problem.
Okay.
I think right now it's okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Second communication, technical communication. Letters and phone calls. Most important factor, letters and phone calls. Everybody is very much familiar about letters and phone calls. So there is already a set patterns and formats of letters, the formal and informal letters. And what about the phone calls? We have to take it as a verbal communication, a phone call. There will be no set pattern, but there's a conditions. No set pattern, but there is the conditions. Okay. Allow, hello, good morning, good afternoon, greeting. Greeting is must while you are using telephonic communication. Thesis and dissertation means many of them are interested to publish a paper or something else, or journal or in a repute newspaper. So there is the most important factor of thesis and dissertation. Okay, as I already published so many international and national journals, so thesis play a very vital and important role. It's give a good impact when you write thesis properly in a provided format. So it is usually required for a master's degree. Okay, master's degree, and in third year and fourth year when you are submitting your project. Okay, you can correlate thesis with your projects. Dissertation produced by a candidate for a PhD degree. Typical organization. Here, first thing, title, cover page, dedication, acknowledgement, table of content, and abstract. The same thing when you want to publish a paper or when you are going to make a project. ठीक है, this is the same heading. As in thesis and dissertation, title should be there, cover page. Here it is also mentioned. Dedication, no need to write dedication. There will be abstract, gist, and summary. Okay, then acknowledgements, table of content is changed, converted into key points or key notes in your projects. Okay, acknowledgement, what is an acknowledgement? That is abstract. Table of content is keynote and key points. Means the toughest word or phrases or synonyms. Then last but not the least, at the last, conclusion. One more thing, beta, in technical communication, each and everything has a conclusion. Okay, no end at all, but conclusion is there. And nahi ho sakta, but there will be conclusion. Again, a technical communication format, and writing, you can say writing paragraph is also have a set pattern and format. Have a look. The age-old rule about one topic per paragraph is a useful guide. If you recall your memory, when you are whenever you try to find the title of given paragraph, okay, and definitely questions and searching for the answer in given paragraph and all. So it does not mean that you can have only one paragraph for each topic. Yes, you can correlate with that. Why I'm trying to give such type of example of your examination and of given paragraph. Okay, first suppose that this is a paragraph here. Okay, and is anybody gave me the answer? What is the suitable title of this paragraph? Can anybody tell me? What is the suitable title of this only? I mean to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 line. In 5 line. I have two title here. Okay. What was that? The first is topic and the another one is paragraph. But this is not complete. Here I have an example only, so I'll maintain this topic and paragraph. So definitely in paragraph, you are very well versed to choose the topic and titles. There is already a set patterns of paragraph. A paragraph is only for paragraph. It may be 3,000 words, 300, 500 words. There will be no limits of words in paragraph. Technical reports. Yeah, this is the most important thing for engineering students. Writing technical reports. In each and every technical manuals, lab and all, you have to possess the writing technical reports. You have to submit the reports, you have to submit the projects about the related topic, chapters and all. So in engineering and science, one of the major form of communication is the technical reports. Okay, this is the conventional format for reporting the results of your research, investigation and design projects. Projects means whatever your ideas related to your own or related or in a, maybe it will be follow in a group or in a particular, and ones are individuals and all, but this is the result of your research, investigation and designs project. Okay, so technical, you have to submit the technical report. When you complete the project, then definitely you will be conclude the whole theorem. So at university, reports are read. In the workplace, they will be read by managers, clients, and the construction engineers responsible for building from your design. This is all about the technical reports. Means whatever you write, whatever your research, whatever your investigation, whatever your ideas, you have to make it for your own design project. Okay, and whenever you try to design a project, then it will be at the end, it will be from the whole theorem. Means you can say the whole project and investigation is totally based on your own skills, and where you have to mention this, you have to mention it in your reports. Reports is very important for engineers. Reports are designed for quick and easy communication of information, that are designed for selective reading. Use section with numbered heading and subheading. Use figures and diagrams to. Here I am putting use figures and diagrams to convey. Means the illustrative image. Sometimes you have to take the help of images, graph, bar chart and all. For example, at the looking for the current scenario, there is a COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so in this pandemic, if you need to make a project or report, then definitely you will follow the pie chart, the bar graph and all. That is the illustrative image. Okay, so here it is suitable to use figures and diagrams to convey the message. Presentation and PowerPoint slide. Everybody know about how to present a PowerPoint slide. Most important thing is you have to be a backup plan. Means backup plans means suddenly there is a erratum in my PPT. Na? As I told you earlier, 5 minutes earlier, ki, I cannot share my screen due to some erratum. Okay, so I'll already backup plan. We have already a backup plan. Why is it so? If something is failing to work, fails to work, then how we will explore. So this is the what I want to say. You have to prepare with your backup plan. Okay, so how second point is very most important in PowerPoint. In PowerPoint presentation, you have to be ready for your paper presentation as well. Okay, no matters you are very well versed to PowerPoint and exploring good ideas and all, but you have to be ready for paper presentation. This is the most important thing. That is the suitable backup plan. You are already having a paper. Keep an eye on your audience and adjust accordingly. And one most important thing, just keep your eyes on your audience. Why is it say so? Because you have to be very clear about your matter, about your topic. Okay, again I am saying like this, if you want to make up appealing you title or any other project or any topic, then definitely you have to be just keep in your mind about the audience point of view. You have to think about the audience point of view. How is it say so? Because sometime audience will get bored, na? So this is the major point. Media interaction. This is also part of media interaction. Someone calling me, okay, ma'am, we want that you will be part of this. So this is the media interaction, and everybody know about this. This is also already a set patterns. Live interview, speak your mind, prepare for interview. I think speak your mind is just preparing for interview. For any uncomfortable question, find a way to answer by take about what you really wish to talk about. Sometimes a person is creating hindrance and disturbance. Okay, while he or she will listening. So you have to be prepared for this, and there is a lot of method to avoid such type of uncomfortable situation to minimize error in answers. Give yourself time to think and then start with the obvious while formulating rest of answer in mind. There is some another point here due to some erratum, means a net problem and all. So you have to prepare for your own. There'll be just everybody know about just switch off the video and all. So you will save the net and continue. Meeting. This is the most important. Again, this is the most important thing because you are going to be technically graduate and this matters a lot. First thing, everybody know, but how we have to proceed in our life. Now, how we follow these things. So here, meeting important rules for efficient meeting. First, do not interrupt anyone. Be brief, very clear and short. Be professional in your attitude towards your colleague. Means there will be no need of show off. Interrupting people when they speak is rude or their language is abusive. Language and tone is abusive. Then only you have to be interrupt. Otherwise, let them finish first. This is the rule of meeting. You have to remain calm, under fire, and concentrate on fact. This is the phrase only. Ethical behavior. You have to follow in meetings. Behave in meetings as well as in college, as well as with your colleagues and all. So ethical behavior, again and again, everywhere I have to quote and put the engineer word. Okay. Here, an engineer should remember the following. As engineer, we must uphold the safety of general public as the highest priority within reasonable economic constant. If unsure about something, get the advice from the people who have a proven record. This is the example of business organization. What is the responsibility of engineer? Okay, so ethical behavior, you have to always follow the ethics, rules and regulations. Okay, otherwise maybe if someone is wrong, then definitely you have to dare to say that you are wrong. This is the ethical behavior, no partiality at all. If at all possible in a business or organization or in with the higher authority. Do not rush the decision, means do not take decision very quickly. Now, never ever shows your aggression. Aggression means kabhi bhi nahi, never. In the process of deciding, reverse the roles, treat people the way you would like to be treated. This is the
Hello,
most important. Hello?
ma'am.
Yes, Bitin?
There's a information for you all. The meeting is going to end. It's a request to all to rejoin the meet. Certification will be only to those students who will attend the whole webinar.
Yes, Bita. Thank you, Malishka, for remembering me. Actually, I have another meeting.
At last, I would like to say thanks to ma'am for enlightening we students with your precious words. Now, a precious thanks to all of you for gracing the event. E-certificates will be provided to you via mail. Thank you all. Have a nice day.